Chris here from the Whistle Stop Cafe in Mirror, Alberta. And as you can see from the clouds above me, our trip yesterday was successful. So I just figured I'd come clean and let you all in on a little secret. You know how I've been flying around in airplanes lots over the last few months? Well, people often ask me, how can you afford that, Chris? Flying's expensive, and I'll tell you. The government pays me to do it. They actually pay me $10 a gallon to dump chemicals. So, I'm going to explain to you how this works. It's really actually quite simple. So, in the wings of an airplane, there's bladders. And in a normal airplane, this is where the fuel would be. But in this airplane, see this little access port right here? When you remove those screws, there's a high pressure leakless fitting. And we use that to fill the wings with chemicals. And then, this particular aircraft is outfitted with a few different chem spraying options. So let's go for it here. I'll show you the first one. In the engine compartment here, there's some lines that run all the way down. Now this comes from the wings. Goes all the way down through here, in behind this air inlet, and then down into this spray tube. So when we're flying, the engine exhaust comes out here and it's mixed with the chemicals. And the purpose of that is to create some clouds. So you can see there's a diffusing screw installed right there, and these are government supplied. So the next option for spraying, this airplane actually has a few. So this little thing right here, that's actually a high pressure atomizer for a different type of chemical. We're not going to be using that one on this trip because, as you can see, the regular chem is doing its job and making clouds. And you can tell that this is true because you never see clouds unless there's airplanes making them. So if you come down to the wing tips here, there are some flexi nozzles here. Now these flexi nozzles, these can be used for either liquid or solid powder type chem. And the beauty of that is, you know, if you have a job where you just want to seed some clouds, you can use a liquid. If you have a job where you need to genocide an entire province, well, you can install the powder through those and spray. Now finally, we're going to go back here. There's the Chem Spray Certification tag. Where are we here? Where is it? Ah, here it is. Right there. So this is called a fogger. This actually ups our revenue from $10 a gallon up to $40 a gallon because this fogger here, it disperses the chem so much with the turbulence on the horizontal stabilizer in conjunction with the tip gaps here. That causes some turbulence back here and it fogs so much that you end up with this. I'd say we did a pretty good job last night as we flew into Cranbrook. So, British Columbia, you're welcome. We did a very good job of seeing clouds for you and blocking out the sun, as you can see. So we're stopping climate change. So, there you are, folks. I've come clean, and I told you what the